Hey, it looks like I've got an HD call coming in. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Good afternoon, David. This is Veronica and Ben.
Hey, what's going on, you guys?
Hi, David. Thanks for taking the time to talk to us today. We'd like to review with you the features of our new DisplayLink connector you'll be seeing on our new projectors.
You know, I think I took that online training course and did pretty darn well, I must say.
Yes, David, we know you aced the online test, but because your customer base is a bit more technical, we wanted to talk you through some of the more advanced features of DisplayLink. Also, we do appreciate the time you're taking away from your sales schedule, so we'll be as brief as possible.
Sounds good. Let's get started.
Okay, as you can recall from the online training, David, DisplayLink has two personalities. Veronica, can we have the first slide?
Yeah, this looks familiar. I'm pretty close with that first feature, simplified computer to projector connection. That's the replacement for the bulky VGA monitor cable that runs between the computer and the projector. So instead of that ritual of hitting the function F5 or F8 or F9 key, all you have to do is plug the USB cable directly between the computer and the projector, and your image is up on screen exactly as that slide shows that you've got right there. Nice slide.
Yeah, that's right, David. But the first time the computer is connected to the projector, a driver is downloaded to the computer to facilitate the DisplayLink connection. That download takes about a minute.
Yeah, you know, I remember that one from the training course too, but that only happens the very first time, right?
Yeah, so before I forget, the USB cable, it can be as minimal as the cable that you use to connect your BlackBerry to your laptop.
I have a BlackBerry, so.
Yeah, well, now moving on. So what do we mean by multiplexing computers or projectors? In applications like public displays, there may be an advantage to driving multiple projectors from different content running on a single computer. For example, it's easy to have 3 applications running on different windows on a notebook and direct them to each different projector. This with no additional software.
How does that work?
Well, setting up the computer is as simple as extending your desktop onto a second, third, or fourth monitor. And the cabling is also simple to understand. You connect the USB cable from a computer to an ordinary USB hub. The hub is then connected to 2, 3, or 4 projectors.
You know, I get that. You could actually create a 4-projector video wall or have 4 different presentations projected from the same notebook PC. It's pretty cool. Are there any limitations to this?
Well, only that the resolution of each projector cannot exceed 1440 by 900 pixels.
It's not so
This approach is even valid for 720p HD TV.
Let's move on to the second multiplexing feature, multiple computers, single projector. We've all been in meetings where the VGA cable gets passed around the conference room table. Not only does this take time, but usually there is the aforementioned function F8 failure among one of the computers. The DisplayLink approach shown here saves time and takes the risk out of projector sharing. All that's needed is a common USB hub with selector buttons and sufficient USB cables for everyone.
You know, you guys were right. I've got 2 accounts that this is going to be perfect for. That multiple computer and single projector concept is easy enough to understand and demonstrate, but I think I'm going to need some help demonstrating some of the more advanced features, that single computer to multiple projector approach. What do you guys suggest? Any ideas on how to demonstrate?
Sure. Well, what we have found impressive is to set up 2 projectors, each showing a portion of a high-definition QuickTime video, and a third projector showing a spreadsheet, PowerPoint, some other image. And it's easy to duplicate on your notebook using your demo projectors. And we can send you the content that we've been using, no problem.
Be good.
Well, that's about it, David. Again, we've been appreciative of the time you've given us this afternoon. I hope you feel the time was well spent.
You know, absolutely. Thank you so much, you two. These are 2 things I want to demonstrate to my accounts tomorrow. First, they solve real problems like the VGA output and the multiple computer issue. Everybody can relate to those. Even I can. Secondly, they provide new functionality like video walls. And finally, and probably most importantly to me, is they're unique to InFocus, and that's something I can sell. So thank you so much for completing my education on this feature, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Good selling, David. We'll see you the next time we have a topic to discuss.
All right.
Good meeting, David.
Thank
Talk
you.
to you later.
Thank you.